The Zippie Iris now has the option of a patented X-Lock folding cross brace to create an even more compact size for easy storage. To fold the chair, begin by removing the solid seat and backrest. The Zippie Iris accommodates a wide variety of seating systems. In this example, we are using a J SureFit seating system with universal mounting hardware. Remove or fold up the footplates. The front and rear strut tubes are next. Each strut has a release button under a protective neoprene cover. Push where indicated while simultaneously pulling up from under the tube. The final step is to grab the X-Lock release strap and pull upward while pulling the side frames together. To make the chair even more compact, it helps to close down any mounting hardware and fold down the back post. The rear wheels can be released by pressing in on the rear axle hubs and then pulling outward. Now the base is very compact and will easily fit in the trunk of most cars. To unfold the chair, simply work in reverse. Attach the rear wheels, fold up the back posts, separate the side frames, press down on the X-Lock plate to lock the folding mechanism, lock down the front and rear strut tubes, fold down or attach the footrests, and reattach the seating system. It's that straightforward.